So how many different ways are we gonna charge this thing today?
At least 2. So what we're gonna do right now, we're gonna turn the generator on, and while they're having a break here at the track, so while they're doing that, we figure we may as well put a couple volts in it. So we're gonna fire up the generator and charge it a little bit.
So how green is this electric stuff?
You know what? The founder of Revolt, Eddie Borsevich, total eco warrior. Dude, I'll bet you Eddie B fell over right now. He probably fell down.
It runs on cactus cooler.
It runs on cactus. So do I.
Great. So what you think?
What's this thing weigh?
Oh no, man, it only weighs like 37, 39. So it's lighter than it was when it had the gasoline in it.
What are these measured in watts? Like the power level?
Kilowatts.
Kilowatts?
That's
What
a
is
450 kilowatt motor.
450 kilowatts?
So if you want to translate it, 600 horse.
It's the good. Is it all wheel or 2-wheel?
No, it's real wheel.
The plans is to go all wheel though.
Yeah,
With
it's
like
gonna-
another separate drive?
Yeah, so I'm gonna put a divorce transfer case in there. We're gonna put dual motor. Yeah, so it's gonna be 1,200 horsepower.
So like Plaid, comparable, a little more than like a Plaid?
No, it'll be more horsepower than Plaid.
So what
But
maybe like
I mean,
high
the Plaid has like the aerodynamics and no, that's heavy. Plaid's super heavy, but it has
But this is a box.
superior traction control, and this is a brick with wheels.
Yeah, that's true.
So,
That's true.
So we'll see.
Chia stand stuff.
What do you guys do with the truck? Mostly
Right.
drag, just
I drive it around town.
that's cool as hell.
I drive this thing all
Like
the
a
time.
street truck. Like a street truck.
Tesla ain't got nothing on this.
Wait, what was that?
Tesla ain't got nothing on this.
It's not style anyway.
Yeah.
Dude, I love this thing,
Yeah,
man.
it's an electric car with the soul, you know?
There you go. See? My man hit the nail on the head, dude. All right, so we charge it up. Kind of keep it in the meat of the pack so we don't, no danger of over or undercharging. And now we're at 382. So now we're about to go out and see if we can give somebody a whooping, or we're gonna get one.
Let's go! What do we got? What do we got? Winner? So for all you guys watching this, my man came out here. All right, he came out with the Hellcat, and it's fast, just not getting no traction.
No traction.
So hold on. So follow me. So he's like, okay, fine. I'm gonna take my ball and go home. And he came back with the Tesla Plaid. So I'm a realist, but you know what? The Hillbilly Deluxe will not back down from anybody. So we're gonna run this Tesla Plaid, and we're gonna give it our best. We're gonna put our best foot forward. So I fully expect him to take the ET, but you know what? We're gonna run it.
Yeah, you
I
won.
didn't lose, so I'm undefeated. Okay, so now win number one goes to the HBD, but now we're gonna give the man a rematch. But I gotta tell you, we pulling out all the stops right here.
All right.
So Lee clearly has the fastest vehicle, but we lowered our pressure down to 15 psi. All right, and we're gonna lower the weight on the driver by almost 100 pounds because Maddie's gonna run.
Okay.
All right,
That
and
sounds good.
All right, so let's see what we got.
Sounds good.
All right, let's get on the line.
All right, man.
Super Leggera.
All right, here we go. 100 pounds. 100 pounds. That's a tenth of a second in a quarter mile.
Almost Maddie.
Looks like we're coming to a close of track day, and we had some fun. So met some new
Absolutely had
friends.
fun.
Lee, dude,
All right,
thanks
brother.
for doing that.
Yeah.
So Lee brought out a Hellcat,
Maddie, thanks, man.
and he brought out a Tesla Plaid. So we raced. Maddie raced him. We got a chance to race a lot of different kind of vehicles out here, and what we're taking away from this is don't mess with the HBD, but the HBD is not gonna mess with a Plaid.
I think we gave it about as good as we got it, but
Yeah.
we got it in the end there.
Yeah, we got it. We
That's
got
some
it a little
good runs.
bit.
That's some
But
good runs.
hey, you know what? Keep following us on Revolt Systems. We'll see you guys next time.
All right, you guys.